In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a portfolio containing projects assigned to your team members and use it to review workload and progress. To get started, open your portfolio and make sure it includes the projects that are assigned to your team members. The purpose of this setup is to give you one central place where you can monitor work across multiple projects without having to open each one separately. This is especially useful when you're managing several people at once and need a quick, organized view of what everyone is handling. Once your portfolio is ready, go to the Workload View tab inside the portfolio. This area helps you review assigned task volume and identify overall allocation across your team. As you look through this view, pay attention to how work is distributed. You want to spot whether some team members have a manageable number of tasks while others may be overloaded. This gives you a clearer picture of capacity and helps you understand if assignments are balanced or if adjustments may be needed. After that, narrow down the information by filtering your search reports. Set the filters for assignee, uncompleted tasks, and overdue status. These filters help you focus on the tasks that need the most attention. Filtering by assignee lets you review work for specific team members, which is useful when you want to understand an individual workload. Filtering for uncompleted tasks helps surface everything that is still in progress or waiting to be done. Adding overdue status on top of that makes it easier to quickly identify tasks that may require follow-up or reprioritization. Once those filters are applied, take a moment to review the results carefully. This filtered view can help you identify patterns such as which employees have a high number of unfinished items or where overdue work is starting to build up. That kind of visibility is important for planning next steps and making informed decisions about workload management. Finally, move to the dashboard view charts to analyze completed versus pending workloads for each employee. This visual summary makes the information easier to understand at a glance. Instead of reading through lists of tasks, you can compare progress across the team more efficiently by looking at the charts. Focus on the balance between completed work and pending work for each person, since that can help highlight who is on track and who may need support. By using the portfolio workload view, filtered reports, and dashboard charts together, you can create a much clearer picture of team performance and task distribution, making it easier to manage projects effectively and keep work moving forward.